In terms of appearance, Tank 500 Hi4-T Black Warrior continues the style design of the current model. The biggest difference is the replacement of black paint and blackout kit, including black grille, black logo, black headlight inner wall, black front bumper cover, black luggage rack, all black door and window frame cover, all black door handles, black side steps, black forged wheels, red brake calipers, etc., make the overall visual effect more sporty and off-road. In terms of body size, the length, width and height of Tank 500 Hi4-T Black Warrior are 5078/1934/1905 mm respectively, and the wheelbase is 2850 mm, and it adopts the 5-seat layout, which is consistent with the regular version. In terms of off-road parameters, the approach and departure angles are 29.5 degrees and 24 degrees respectively, and the minimum ground clearance is 213 mm. In terms of interior, it continues the layout design of the current model, and is equipped with a 12.3-inch digital instrument panel and a 14.9-inch screen. It is also equipped with a 7-inch rear. At the same time, the materials are also quite luxurious, and are equipped with a crystal gear lever and a quartz clock. The front and rear seats are made of Napa leather, and there are ventilation and heating functions and 9-stage fine adjustment. In terms of intelligence, the new car will be equipped with the latest car machine system, supporting 3 connection methods: HiCar, ICCOA and DLNA, which can be connected via USB wired connection or Wi-Fi wireless connection, timing function during navigation, navigation teamwork function and desktop wallpaper, HUD off-road mode, etc. It is also equipped with functions such as the clickable function of the status bar, global gestures, screen cleaning mode, seat memory shortcut key, and quick closing of the pedestrian warning sound. In terms of configuration, it is equipped with a transparent chassis, electric vehicle side pedals, adaptive far and near LED headlights, openable panoramic sunroof, multi-layer soundproof glass, and a 540-degree panoramic view. Front and rear side windows and rear luxury configurations include manual sunshades/privacy glass for side windows, wireless charging for mobile phones in the front row, 12-speaker Yenfei Lisha sound system, multicolored ambient lights, and independent air conditioning. It has outlets in the rear row. In terms of power, it continues to be equipped with a Hi4-T plug-in hybrid system consisting of a 2.0T engine and AP2 engine. The engine has a maximum net power of 180 kilowatts and AP2 engine. It has a peak torque of 380 Nm. The comprehensive system power is 300 kilowatts and the maximum torque is 750 Nm. With 9-speed automatic manual transmission, the official acceleration time from 0 to 100 km is 6.9 seconds. The fuel consumption is 8.8 L/100 km. The maximum vehicle speed is 180 km per hour. In terms of battery life, the new car is equipped with a 37.1 kWh ternary lithium battery pack. The WLTC pure electric battery life is 110 km with full fuel and full charge, 70 L fuel tank. The comprehensive range is 790 km. It also supports a maximum charging power of 50 kilowatts, and it takes only 24 minutes for the SoC to reach 30% to 80%. It also supports a maximum external discharge function of 3.3 kilowatts. In terms of chassis, it adopts a non-load-bearing body structure, equipped with front double wishbone independent suspension and rear integrated axle non-independent suspension. It comes with rear axle differential lock and center differential lock as standard, and provides optional front axle differential lock. It is also equipped with 5 driving modes: steep hill descent, low-speed 4-wheel drive, crawling mode, tank turning and other functions.